Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how easy this Silverline battery tester is to use. We can test a range of batteries. They're going to be 1.5 volt batteries or 9 volt batteries on these ones here. So I've got a range here. I've got some that are dead, some that have a little bit of charge left in them, and some that are fully charged, and I've also got some rechargeable batteries. So you can do normal alkaline ones and also rechargeable batteries and 9 volt as well. So if we were to go on to a good battery here, we have a range where we have a little arrow here and it will move to the right hand side. If it's in the red bit here, it's going to be replace or recharge, obviously only on rechargeable batteries. And you're going to be replacing normal alkaline ones. And then in the yellow section it's low, so there's still a bit of life there but it's low. And if it's in the green it means it's good. So if we went on to one here, this is an alkaline one, so not a rechargeable. You can see if we go between there and there, it's right the way over to the good. So this little point down here is a negative and this little point is the positive. So you have to make sure you're fully on them. If you're a bit off, it's not going to read. So you have to make sure that you are fully on them. So you can see that's a good battery. If we went on to something like this, this will be low or just barely in the good. So you can tell that that's running low. And if we went on to one like this, you can see that this one would need to be replaced. So it's a nice quick indication. If we went on to the rechargeable ones, same thing here, you can see that that is a good battery, just about. But if we went on to this one here, you can see that that one needs to be recharged. There's nothing there at all. And this one here is also good as well. You can also do these little cells, but these are 1.5 volt cells as well. So negative down the bottom, positive up the top, and just go between the 2 points. And if you look closely at the scale, you can see it says button battery. This little one here is a button battery, and you can see that there's a big green scale here, and this is reading in the middle of that. So this battery is good. We can do AAA. So you can see that that one would need to be replaced. And if we went on to the 9 volt ones, you put the big one to the bottom one there and the small one to the top one. So you're going to be using the positive up top. And if we go there, you can see that that is a good battery. Well, if we went here, you can see that isn't. That needs to be replaced. So it's very quick, especially after Christmas. This is where I use it. Loads of Christmas decorations up that use batteries, and then afterwards I just test them all. I find it a lot quicker than using a multimeter. So it is really a very useful little tool. Forgot to mention that obviously you can do C and also D batteries as well, because these are also 1.5 volt batteries. So you can see that they're both good. If you're watching this in the UK and you're interested in one of these, we will put an Amazon link in the description down below. Thanks for watching.